What if the card in your pocket isn't just helping you spend, but actually using you? Every swipe feels like power. Every tap feels like freedom. But stop for a second and ask, who is really in control? You or your credit card? Banks call it convenience. Buy now, pay later. But those minimum payments, they are not your safety net. They are the trap. You think you are paying less today, but in reality, you are paying much more tomorrow. The system isn't built to free you. It's built to keep you paying. Here is the secret. Banks already take a small fee every time you swipe. But that's not where the real money is. The jackpot is interest. 20%, 30%, sometimes even more. And the longer you carry a balance, the more control slips out your hands and into theirs. Rewards, points, and exclusive offers are not designed to make you rich. They are designed to keep you hooked. It feels like you are winning, but the truth is, the game is rigged, so bank always wins. So next time you hold that piece of plastic, remember this. It's not just a card. It's a system designed to profit from you. And unless you pay in full every time, your credit card isn't serving you. It's using you. So who's really in control? You or the card? If you want more powerful stories like this, make sure to subscribe to ThinkTell. Because you think and we tell.